Everyone, so I wanted to share this story. A pre-analysis of this Microsoft was July 9, and just very quick of this video why I took a trade. And yeah, so at first I just had a why I wanted to take a trade to a buy area, and my analysis was right here. So since I shouldn't trigger to buy it, um I don't kind of really rely on this as the most of my analysis unless I put a uh, a feature in there. So this is what got me wanted to buy, because this is the ETF like control of the tech area, or the just basically most likely all the tech area in it. And what got me to really want to buy this, because at first, this is where the buyer came and closed. So drop, got killed. This is the area I've been waiting for a long time. So just to when to buy the P and the S again and the S, but it seems like they already moved all the way down and slow down. And this is the part that I kind of interested in it, and they kind of broke through it. So this is gonna be the first and the second, and the could be the third. They went for the fourth, and that's the reason why I also want to buy, because also not just that, because once they break this, what on the daily, right? Uh, we'll say here to here, here, there, here, boom, here. So this is not the owner of the daily. I did more homework in it. So what it be was this one, buyer and close down here, boom. Okay, this is gonna be the P, the P area, and the S area from here. Uh, but they did another one. No, that's the S. Yeah, that's S. Basically, this is the S area to drop it down. Once it drop it down right here, it feel like the possibility could be. Hmm. Yeah, this was the story on the weekly, but mainly is on the owner is gonna be on the monthly, and then start with the weekly from here. So on the monthly, right now I'm looking at this as a P and an S to play out. So it was, if this tomorrow able to play out for today, which is the July 10, um, and that's the reason why I want to buy. And I believe that all that the stock of the tech, it will go back up from there. And for me, I also go to the weekly, go down one time from down more, and go one time more, and the monthly too. So basically, this one, I think this was got a little bit more delay, and MP came out, so more delay, but there's two candle right here. So basically, um, there's more into it that we are able to take it back up. But at this point, that's the reason why I want to buy. And yeah,